When you search for the best brake pads, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos. But to understand what actually keeps you and your family safe, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Bendix Priority 1 CFC 2250. The Bendix Priority 1 CFC ceramic brake pads caught my attention right away, especially for heavy-duty vehicles like the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Priced at $74.40, they promise robust stopping power, which is essential for larger trucks. If you want reliable performance for your heavy-duty vehicle, this is worth a serious look. They feature a unique friction formula that aims to minimize noise and dust, keeping your wheels cleaner and your drives quieter. Plus, they're built to meet or exceed OEM standards, ensuring you get top-notch safety and performance. With a solid reputation, many users appreciate their durability and consistent braking ability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you often carry heavy loads or tow, having brake pads that can handle that stress is crucial for your safety. Now, some people have mentioned that these pads can create a bit more dust than they expected. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize performance over aesthetics, that small drawback might not matter much to you. For heavy-duty users, the stopping power is what counts. This is perfect for you if you drive a heavy-duty truck and need reliable stopping power. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or only occasional use. For the price, they offer solid value considering the safety they provide. Product number 2, Quality Built Black Series. Next up, we have the Quality Built Black Series ceramic rear brake pads. At $61.07, these pads are specifically designed for newer Lexus and Toyota models. If you want a quiet, clean ride, these are definitely worth a look. What sets these brake pads apart is their advanced ceramic friction formula. This means they not only offer improved braking performance, but also do it with minimal dust and noise. The design includes OE-style slots and chamfers, which help minimize sound while braking. This is especially important if you hate the screeching noise that some pads make. With a focus on fitment, they use application-specific hardware to ensure a hassle-free installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want peace of mind knowing that your vehicle has brake pads specifically tailored for its make and model, ensuring optimal performance. Now, some users have pointed out that while the installation is generally easy, the hardware included might not fit some vehicles perfectly. But if you're a DIYer, you likely have the tools to make adjustments, so it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own a 2023-2024 Lexus or a 2023-2025 Toyota and prioritize quiet, low-dust performance. Skip this one if your vehicle isn't on the compatibility list. For the price, you get reliable performance tailored to your car. Product number 3, 8 PCS ceramic brake pads. The 8 PCS ceramic brake pads with clips is another great option, especially for Cadillac and Chevy owners, priced at $59.35. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one solution, this is worth checking out. These brake pads come with everything you need to replace all 4 wheels, making them convenient for those who do their own brake work. Plus, they're designed to fit several vehicle models, which adds to their appeal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a complete set means you can replace your old pads without needing to hunt down individual components, saving you time and effort. However, some customers have reported that the fit can be a bit off for certain models. Here's the thing, if you're experienced with brake installations, it's often just a minor adjustment. But if you're not comfortable with potentially modifying the pads, it might be best to look for model-specific options. This is perfect for you if you own one of the compatible models and want a complete set for an easy change. Skip this one if you prefer top-shelf performance over budget options. For the value, these pads are a solid choice for everyday driving. Product number 4, SIP-AUTEC Brake Pad Set. Next, we have the SIP-AUTEC Front and Rear Brake Pad Set, available for $65.77. If you own a Buick or Cadillac, this kit is tailored just for you, and it caught my attention for its promise of reliability. These pads are designed for specific models, ensuring a precise fit and optimized performance. The ceramic material helps with both braking efficiency and dust reduction, which is essential if you want to keep your wheels looking good. The kit also includes front and rear pads, making it a comprehensive option for a complete brake job. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having both front and rear pads ensures that your braking system is balanced, which is vital for safe driving. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the instructions could be clearer for installation. But honestly, if you're familiar with brake work, you'll likely find your way without much fuss. If you're not comfortable with DIY, you might want to consider professional installation. This is perfect for you if you drive a Buick or Cadillac and want a reliable set for both front and rear. Skip this one if you're looking for universal pads that fit various models. For the price, it's a great value tailored to specific cars. Product number 5, BOSCH QuietCast Premium. Lastly, we have the BOSCH BC1391 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set. While the price isn't listed, they have over 300 sales in the past month, indicating real demand. If you want a well-rated option for various Lexus and Toyota models, these could be a solid choice. BOSCH is known for its high-quality parts, and these pads are no exception. They feature a multi-layer shim for noise reduction, which helps create a quieter braking experience, and the premium ceramic construction provides excellent stopping power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're sensitive to noise while driving, these pads are engineered to reduce that irritating brake squeal. However, there haven't been many reviews yet, so some may feel hesitant about trying a less reviewed product. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, quiet brake pad for your Lexus or Toyota. Skip this one if you need something for a different vehicle. For the quality you get, it's worth considering. So there you have it. We've covered the Bendix Priority 1 Quality Built Black Series 8 PCS Ceramic Brake Pads, SIPAUTEC Brake Pad Set, and BOSCH QuietCast Premium. Each of these options has its strengths and is suited for different vehicles and driving needs. Choose based on what fits your car and your driving style best, because when it comes to safety, you can never be too careful.